Hello, it's Chelsea Brady from Pina Colada Designs. I wanted to show you how to make this adorable pineapple. These are the colors that I used in this project. You don't have to use all of them, but the layering of the different colors is what makes the pineapple look more realistic. Starting with the core wool, make kind of a cup shape. You'll notice throughout this video that there is an image that will pop up at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. That is to show you what color is coming up next. With a medium green color, cover the entire bottom of the cup shape. With the soft yellow, fill in the top part of the cup shape and add polka dots to the bottom of the cup. Using two different colors of greens, add some detail to the top of the polka dots. I used the lighter of the two greens on the top two rows, and then the darker of the two greens on the bottom two rows. With a golden yellow color, add some details to the bottom of the polka dots. Using a chocolate brown wool, add just a little line in each of the polka dots. With your darkest green wool, zigzag some lines around the polka dots. Working with the soft yellow color again, make two C-shaped pineapple rings. Next, make a little strawberry using the red wool. I used the same medium green color that I used to cover the entire cup shape in the beginning for the top of the strawberry. Last step is to make a couple of brightly colored straws. I used a bright green and a bright pink, but you can use any color that you'd like. Secure everything into place using a felting needle. If you are worried about things being pulled on or played with, you can add a few stitches. I like to use a little pair of scissors to clean up any loose fibers that might be sticking out, and also to go around each of the pineapple rings to crisp up those edges. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this stuffy with me today. If you try this project, I'd love to see it. You can message me on Instagram or Facebook at Pina Colada Designs.